So here I am on the settings page. I'm just going to show you how the tag actions function works. So if we scroll to the settings page and scroll down to tag actions, you can see here there's a few things we can do. So we can put in an add to cart button action, we can put in a social proof widget action, and we can put in a wish list item action. The way these actions works is essentially what we're doing is we're overriding the default function that happens with them. So in this case where I've added an add to cart action, what we're doing is we're assigning this to a specific tag on products. So I could put the tag new, for example, and then we can choose from these functions of rename the label, disable the button, hide the button, redirect after click, or we can run a custom JavaScript if you want to be really clever. So the rename label is the most simple. So what we can do is we can use a product tag. You can also go and put an asterisk in there, in which case it will essentially apply a wildcard, and that means that this will apply to all products. So I'll go put an asterisk there. We're going to rename the label, and we're going to change it to, I'm just going to change it to test here just to show you how it works. So we've done that, and now I'm going to go over to the store. Now when we open the wishlist drawer and go and show a wish list, you can see it's changed the function there to say test. Now if we go back here, you can see we've got these other options as well. So I could just go disable button. We can hide the button altogether if you don't want the add to cart function to appear. The redirect is if you want someone to get navigated to a different page after they add it. And then the JavaScript, I'll leave up to your imagination. The other functions we've got here are social proof widget actions. So this is just for the social proof widget that appears on the product page. So it applies with the same logic. So you can put a tag or an asterisk there, and then you can choose to hide the widget if you want. So that's good if you've got a product that's new or it's out of stock or it's low inventory and you don't want to show the social proof widget. The third one here is wishlist item action. So that is that's based on the same thing for the actual wish list button that appears on the product page. So yeah, we can choose we can essentially choose to hide the price there based on a product tag. So the most common function with the most that you can do is on that add to cart button action. But yeah, there's a few other things there, and we can also make additions to this functionality on a case-by-case basis. So please contact us if you have something else you'd like us to help you out with there.